Are you still creating paper schedules, calling techs in the field, and texting them? With IndusTrack's scheduling solution, you won't waste any time on double data entry. When a customer calls to schedule a job or service, click on the Schedule tab to open the scheduling grid. You can create an unassigned or assigned job. To create an unassigned job, click on the action select Add Unassigned Job. You can add all the details without assigning a technician and save. This job will go to the unassigned jobs queue, which later can be assigned to a technician. If, for example, the job is for the current day, and you know who is getting assigned to the job, you can click on the Day View, Week View, Month View, or Timeline View, and double-click on the grid to assign a job to a technician. Select a customer. Add a job description. You can see that a time and date has been added in the bottom. Add services and materials, otherwise technician can add them from the field. Dispatcher has the option to add the customer equipment. You can have different type of attachments. We can have link, files, PDFs, and tools. All these things are optional, and technicians can add the same from the field. Next, we will look at the Notes section. Site notes are the notes that are pinned to this specific customer and service location. Office notes are the notes that are added by the dispatcher for the technician. And the field notes are the notes that are added by the technician once they complete the job. Next, you can add a custom form and even add a trigger for the technician, so they can either fill out the form at the beginning or end of the job. Lastly, if the job requires a new part, you can add or create a purchase order for a job. Once you are finished, click Dispatch to send the job to your tech's mobile device. Once the job is completed by the technician, we will take a look at the next steps to create an invoice for this job in the office. To do that, click on the Scheduling tab, Actions, Job Queues. In this section, you will see jobs categorized by unassigned, assigned, on hold, completed, approved for invoice, and invoiced. Now we will look at the Completed Job tab. In here we can click on the three dots and either view the job, approve the job for invoice, or view job report. Click View Job if you need to make changes to the notes from technician, add more parts, etc. You can look at the job report in here, and you will see site note, office notes, field notes, all the parts added, equipment, forms, attachments, and technician who worked on the job, and you will see the technician's actual time on job. Once everything is reviewed, you can approve the job for invoicing. This will move the job from the Completed Jobs queue to Approved for Invoice queue. Now this job is ready for invoicing. Convert to invoice. Easy workflow from dispatch to invoice. Sit back, relax, and let IndusTrack work.